Good morning to all of you. I am Nitin Vashne, Assistant Professor in SIRTS College. Today I am going to teach you operators used in Python. So, without wasting time, we can start our topic. So, these are the basic operators which is used in Python. So, basically, operators the basic utilization of operators is to perform any operations which contain one or two operands or more than two operands. So there are different types of operators given in Python to perform any arithmetical, comparison, logical or any other task. So these Pythons will be divided into following groups. First is arithmetic operators. Second is assignment operators. Third is comparison operator. Fourth is logical operator. Fifth, identity operator. Sixth, membership operator. Seventh is bitwise operators. So these are the 7 different types of operators available in Python programming language. Now, first one is, what is the arithmetic operators? Basically, we know that arithmetic operations are those operations which is used in mathematical inductions like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulus, and star, exponential, floor division, etc. So, for addition, we can use the plus operator. Okay, you can see the example x plus y. Then in subtraction we can use minus sign, x minus y. Similarly, for multiplication of the two operands we can use star. So it should be write as x star y. For division we can use slash operator. So it should be written like x divided by y. Then modulus, it should be defined by a percentage operator, x percentage y, and exponentiation double star x double star y, and floor division is double slash. So we can write it x double slash y. So whenever you need any arithmetical operations, or we can say that any mathematical operation, you use arithmetic operators in Python. Now second is assignment operators. The basic utilization of assignment operator is to assigning a value to the variables to perform any mathematical task. Okay, so you can see that for assigning the value we can use equal sign. Here we assign value 5 to the variable x. So how we can write? We can write it x equals to 5. And now we can use increment operator. So we can write x plus equals, it should be write like x equals to x plus 3. For subtraction, or we can say the decrement operator, we can write that x minus equals to 3, which is equals to x equals to x minus 3. Then star equals to, so it should be like x equals to x star 3, division equals to x divided by 3, modulus equals to x mod 3, and then mod floor x mod floor 3. This is the assignment operators. Now third one is comparison operators. So we can use these operators whenever you need to compare between the 2 or 3 values or more than the 2 values. You can use the comparison operator. So here how we write the equal operator, there is a double equals to sign. So here you can see that x is double equals to y, means x, the value of x is equals to y, or we can say that the value of y is equals to x. So how can we write not equals to? Not equals to explanation, not equals to. So here you can see that x is not equals to y, or we can say that y is not equals to x. Now greater than, whenever you compare the two values and you find the greater value, you can use the greater symbol. Here x is greater than y, or we can say that x is smaller than y is smaller than x. Then less than, suppose you have a 2 operator 5 and 2. So you know that 5 is less than 2, so you can use this operator. And here you can see that x is less than y, or we can say that y is greater than x. Then greater than or equals to, when you compare 2 or 3 values like 5 equals to 5, so you can use this operator. So here x is equals to y or greater than y. So y is less than or equals to x. Similarly, less than or equals to you can use, so you can see that here x is less than equals to y, or we can say that y is greater than or equals to x. Now logical operators, as name shows, logical operator means it should be create a digital logics like and or not. You can also read these logical operators in digital system and circuits. Okay. And means the return true if both statements are true. Means whenever both statements are true, then it will give the output. Or if only one statement, both the statements having a single true, then it will give the output. And not, then reserve the result, return false if the result is true. Okay. और इसको हम लोग शो कैसे करते हैं, x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. सो ऑब्वियसली दोनों स्टेटमेंट इस करेक्ट हैं. x 5 से भी छोटा है और 10 से भी छोटा ही होगा. जब 5 से छोटा है तो 10 से छोटा होगा ही. और कंडीशंस में x इज लेस देन 5 और x इज लेस देन 4, दोनों में से कोई सी भी एक कंडीशंस ट्रू हो सकती है. ओके. नाउ इसमें नॉट मीन्स इनमें से दोनों कंडीशंस ट्रू नहीं होंगी. Identity operator. So what is the identity operator? Identity means when return the true value if both variables are of the same object. Means if A is B or B is A, if both are same, then we can use is operator. And when these variables are of name not the same object, then it should be used is not operator. Now the membership operator. So what is the utilization of the membership operator? Return true if the sequence with the specified value is present in the object. Means if a regular sequencing is same, so in another tuple, so it will give yes or no. Okay. The return true if sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Means अगर आपके पास specified सिमिलरिटी नहीं है या स्पेसिफाइड आपको एक पैटर्न में नहीं मिल रही है आइडेंटिटी चीज़ें, सो वो आपको नॉट इन देगा. ओके. आपको सर्चिंग करनी है. इट्स अ सर्चिंग टूल. बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज एज अ act on the bit operations, or we can say that binary operations and operations. Okay. You can easily know that what is the AND means. Each set bit 1 if both bits are 1. Means if both bits are 1, then it should be give 1. Okay. अगर दोनों में से कोई सी भी एक बिट 1 होती है, then it should be OR. Each sets bit 1 if only one of the two bits is 1. And invert all bits means अगर आपके पास सारे bits 1 1 1 1 हैं, it should be converted into 0 0 0 0 0. So we can use not operator. Whenever you use not operator, it will be converted all the bits into 0. और 0 है तो 1 में convert कर देगी. Now double greater than is means 0 fill left shift means you can put the 0 into the left side from the bottom. Or sign right shift means you can shift or pushing the copy of the leftmost bit from the left, and leftmost bit fall off means they are drawn and आप लेफ्ट की तरफ से 2 बिट्स पुश कर रहे हैं और स्टार्टिंग जो 2 बिट है वो ड्रॉप आउट हो जाएंगी. ओके. दिस इज कॉल्ड द बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर. So thank you. Stay tuned.